These are the oxygen regulators. This regulator will fit small E tanks. This regulator will fit larger H tanks. Both regulators connect via this connection. This is your output connection. The gauges on the regulator show remaining tank pressure. Both regulators are factory preset to deliver 50 psi pressure. This is your green oxygen hose that connects the oxygen regulator to the anesthesia machine. This is the induction chamber. Animals are placed in the induction chamber for initial anesthesia. This is your gas inflow connection. This is your gas exhaust connection. The induction chamber receives anesthetic vapor from the anesthesia machine here and directs anesthetic vapor away from the chamber to a charcoal filter via this connection. Chamber is open and closed using this draw latch on the front of the chamber. This is your chamber exhaust hose. This connects to a charcoal exhaust filter. This is your chamber connection hose. This connects the anesthesia machine to the induction chamber. This is the breathing device. This device is used for maintenance of anesthesia during the procedure. It has a separate inflow and outflow tube. This connects to the anesthesia machine and delivers anesthetic gas to the breather. This receives anesthetic gas from the breather and connects to a charcoal filter. These are your nose cones. This is the mouse nose cone, rat nose cone, and the nose cone plug. These are the plastic non-heated procedure surfaces. Each system comes with a V-shaped and a flat surface. These are surfaces for placing the animal during procedures. This is the charcoal exhaust filter. This filter captures anesthetic gas before releasing oxygen into the room. Any component that receives gas from the system requires the use of a charcoal filter. This is the auto-flow anesthesia machine. Oxygen is introduced in the machine via this connection. This is the master on-off switch for the anesthesia machine. This switch must be flipped to on during operation of the system. This device is the vaporizer. The vaporizer blends the incoming oxygen with liquid isoflurane, generating an anesthetic vapor which is then delivered to the various components of the system. Isoflurane concentration is controlled using this dial on the top of the vaporizer. These numbers represent percentage, and the vaporizer outputs from 0 to 5% isoflurane concentration. This side delivers the anesthetic vapor to the various components of the system. Up to 4 breathers can be connected to any of these 4 outputs. The induction chamber is connected to this output. This green button is a pure oxygen flush for the induction chamber. This will clear anesthetic from the induction chamber prior to transferring animals to the breather. Each circuit is individually controlled using simple on-off switches. This is the system pressure gauge. This shows the operating pressure of the system.